welcome back to my channel. I am here with a part 2 of my birthday unboxing. Thank you again. I celebrate all month, so I have at least 7 items over here that I'm going to unbox. I am going to try to get through these as quickly as possible and not do a lot of talking. But again, if you sent me a well wish, if you said happy birthday, if you sent a gift, thank you so much. So let's get into it. So, okay. First thing I have already cut the boxes open. So first thing I got was the Bluetooth keyboard in purple here. I don't know. This is it here, and you can hook it up to your iPad, your laptop, and this came from my good friend Bianca. It says, happy birthday, Capri Queen. Thank you for being you and empowering so many others with your brilliance and hustle. Cheers to 35 from Bianca. So me and Bianca met on Clubhouse, and her birthday is the day after mine. So thank you, Bianca. So I have another gift here, and this is the leopard pajama set. Let me grab this. Yes, it's the leopard shorts pajama set, and this came from my accountability partner Jasmine. So thank you, Jasmine. And I do have another gift here from Jasmine as well. So let me grab that. Okay. So also from Jasmine, I got the wine glasses, Joy Jolt wine glasses, and a cell phone tablet stand. So here is the cell phone tablet stand, and here are the wine glasses. I'm so excited to use these. These are so chic. I love the way they look. Okay. So I have another gift here. I was so excited about this one. This is a purple dress. It is the woman's spaghetti strap satin dress in purple. And this came from my good friend Star. It says, happy birthday, Boo, from Star. Here's the color, but I'm not going to take it all the way out just to make sure this video is short. So love that dress. Actually, one of my Instagram followers posted a dress that she wore on her birthday. I think it was like a green or a gold, and I was like, gotta have that dress. So I put that on my wish list. And I got the leopard Bana suit from my boo Gabby. It says, baby, it's about to be a hot girl, healing girl, rich auntie girl summer. Happy birthday, boo, from Gabby. So it's a leopard swimsuit. So hopefully when the weather permits, I can wear that. And then my last gift was gift wrap, and it came from my cousin. It says, happy birthday, cuz, enjoy your gift, from Jaquan. And I absolutely love these. These are the leopard mule shoes. Super cute. Cannot wait to wear them. So super cute. So I love all of my gifts. My wish list is still up and available if you still would like to send me a birthday gift. Again, thank you so much to everyone who wished me a happy birthday, and I hope you guys enjoy this part 2 of my birthday wish list unboxing. Until next time.